Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a clear protein base and choose according to allergies and goals. Use 1 cup whey concentrate or 100 grams pea protein as the protein base. Measure dry ingredients on a scale for consistency and texture. Add 2 tablespoons flaxseed and 1 tablespoon chia for omega-3 and texture. For flavor balance and shelf stability, include 1/2 teaspoons salt to balance flavor. If you prefer plant sources, add 20 grams hemp protein and keep total protein per scoop near 25 grams for muscle gain. To support workouts, include slow carbohydrates and healthy fats. Blend 1/3 cup oats for carbs and 15 grams per serving of slow carbs. For extra calories and creamy mouthfeel, mix 2 tablespoons powdered milk or 10 grams MCT oil powder for calories and mouthfeel. Sweeten and flavor without excess sugar by adding natural options. Add 1 teaspoon cocoa or 5 grams instant coffee for flavor without sugar. Optionally stir in 1 teaspoon cinnamon and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract powder for aroma and to reduce combine and process to finalize. Pulse all dry ingredients in a blender or spice grinder for 20 to 30 seconds for uniform texture. After blending, sift once to remove large bits, then portion into 40-gram scoops so each serving delivers about 25 grams protein and 300 to 350 kcal. Label jars with date and nutrition per scoop and store in an airtight container at room temperature up to 8 weeks or refrigerate for 4 months. Rehydrate with 250 to 300 ml water or milk per scoop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.